What if I told you that this plain brown box hides a premium current gen GPU that is cheaper than what you might find at retail? Today, we're unboxing and testing the Sapphire AMD Radeon RX 9070 Brown Box OEM Edition. Is it any different than the standard RX 9070? Stick around and let's find out if this MSRP GPU can take on some demanding games. But before we begin, please remember to subscribe if you like this kind of content. Forget flashy packaging. All you get is this plain cardboard box with one tiny Sapphire sticker and another on the side listing the contents. No RGB dragons, no neon light bolts, just the same GPU you'll find in a retail box. Let's now have a look at what comes in the brown box. We first have an installation guide, the protective foam, and finally, the star of the show, the RX 9070 GPU. That's it, no frills. But here's the kicker. This is the same exact card as the retail version that costs $50 more just for the fancy packaging. Let's now talk about the hardware. The RX 9070 packs 16GB of DDR6 memory, RDNA 4 architecture, Fidelity FX frame generation, a dual fan cooling, a metal backplate, dual 8-pin power connectors, which is great to have, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and 2 display ports 2.1a, and a PCI 5.0 16x interface. As far as the size, the card measures 288mm long, 121mm deep, and 52mm high. It takes 2.5 slots. Now, let's see how it handles real-world gaming. All games are being tested at 1440p ultra settings. First we have Cyberpunk 2077, with a result of 110 frames per second. Next we have Borderlands 4, with an average of 60 frames per second. Next we have Dying Light the Beast, with a result of 80 frames per second. Now we have Battlefield 6, with an average of 110 frames per second. And finally, Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. With the results of 75 frames per second. In conclusion, if you're shopping for a new GPU and your price point is between $500 and $600, I'd recommend that you give Team Red a serious look. The RX 9070 is a card that goes head to head with Nvidia's RTX 5070, and in some titles it even beats it. And while both have the same SRP on paper, Nvidia cards usually come with a premium markup. Plus, the 5070 comes with only 12 GB of memory, while the 9070 has 16 GB, which will make it outperform the 5070 in memory-intensive games, while at the same time increasing its lifespan in the long run. What do you think? Would you be willing to get a Brown Box Edition GPU, or would you prefer to pay extra for the retail version? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for sticking till the end, and if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing, smashing that like button, and sharing with your fellow gamers. And I'll see you again on our next review.